waiting on you.
Hey, it's Dr. Cha-Cha coming at you again, giving you tips on how to love your life just a little bit better. And this week, I want to talk about none other than karma. Some of us have heard the saying, karma is but Dr. Cha-Cha believes karma is a gift. Think about the laws of karma. They say, when a bird is alive, he can eat 1,000,000 ants. But when a bird dies, 1,000,000 ants will eat that bird. A tree, all it takes is one tree to create 1,000,000 matchsticks. And all it takes is one matchstick to burn down 1,000,000 trees. No matter what you are, no matter how powerful you are, your circumstances will change. Karma is a gift. So if you are worried about that person who stole from you, who did your family member wrong, or maybe they did something so horrible that you can never forgive them and you are so hurt about it, all you have to do is remember, karma is a gift. Whatever you do will eventually come back on you. Know that the justice will be served, that the revenge will be given, no matter what they do. So you want to make sure your karma is always a gift, because no matter what you do, it's going to come back on you. Karma, it's a gift. All right, this is Dr. Cha-Cha giving you tips on how to love your life just a little bit better. Make sure you subscribe because we'll be coming at you next week with some more tips.